negative 3 minus a negative 2. This is a 1 under here. Negative 2 minus 6 is a negative 4. Hold on, I'll answer your question 1 second. Negative 3 plus a 2 is a negative 1. So we get 4 over 1. So we know that AB is parallel to CD. Okay? If it is both congruent and parallel, it must be a parallelogram. Which makes me again wonder what we did wrong in method 1. Anybody else try this in their calculator besides me and see what I'm doing wrong?
Okay, 1 second. I got this.
A to B. We're good.
What about C? Well, A to C, just look at it. Why would it be
Zero.
where's 0 come
From the A. 0 minus 6. 2 minus a negative 2. All right, if we're looking at B to C, 4 minus 6 is 3 minus a negative 2.
Yeah, that equals 7.2, yes. This would be.
Yes.
Should be AB, not AC.
No. Thank you.
Oh, we should record that too.
Why is it a burn when I've said for like 5 minutes, I know this is wrong, please help me. Okay. All right, let's do A to B real quick. This is going to help us. Because if you look at the picture, are A and C connected at all? That's my problem.
I see.
Okay. So I did it right. I just found the wrong thing. Okay. So A is 0. D is 2. Thank you very much. Negative 3 minus 2 squared. Okay, so if we put this in the calculator, oh, I hope this is right this time. Okay, 0 minus 2 squared plus negative 3 minus 2, and that's a little squared again.
You'll be right.
We're going to get 5.3. Oh, approximately 5.4.
So,
Yay! So, it is a parallelogram because AB is congruent to CD, and BC is congruent to AD. Therefore, it is a parallelogram. I'm going to draw a parallelogram.
Parallel to DB.
That was, for method 1, these are congruent. So AB is congruent to CD, BC is congruent to AD. That's method 1. When we did method 2,
it has a what?
We didn't do
what?
Did we not have to do
It's
that one?
a parallelogram. Okay. Then we found since AB and CD are equal, they both equal 4.2, and they are also parallel, we know it is a parallelogram. This is my parallelogram drawing. Okay. Because we had both of these. Okay. And last method, and then we're done, guys. I know it's long.
Wait, so when we have to find them, and they give us the choice to use these 3?
Yes, you can use any of these 3.
But can we just use 1 and be done?
Yes. Yes.
Yay!
Okay. Last method, ladies and gentlemen, we have to prove that the diagonals bisect each other. I'm not sure why we're talking to other people right now. I'm trying to. So we're going to find the midpoint, and let's look so Ms. Murphy does this right this time and not messes it up. We're going to do the midpoint, CA and DB. CA, DB. Okay, so we've got to find the midpoint of C to A. So we're going to say 2 plus a negative 2 over 2, and 0 plus 6 over 2. Because it's x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. We get 0, 3. Now I have to see if db is the same thing. Okay, the x for d is negative 3. For b, it's 3. Okay. For the y, we get 2 and 4 divided by 2. So negative 3 plus 3 is 0. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So it is parallelogram.
Murphy, I like this one better. Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I would pick the third method if I had a choice as well. All right, let's look at the homework just to make sure I didn't give you anything that I didn't go over. So let's have the homework out in front of us. It would be really helpful if you turn to the correct page. We're looking at page 526. Yes. No, he's cooking dinner.
What's he cooking?
Yeah.
Really?
This is all recorded, just so we know. But your parents really don't need to hear this when they need help. So I'm going to do this real quick, and then I'll have a little discussion with you. Okay. We're going 4 through 26 even. All right, 4, I don't think you should have a problem. You're just 4 and 6, you're just stating the theorem. Find the value of x. We know that the diagonals bisect each other, so we should be okay. 12 and 14 are just like we did here, so you can choose any method for those. 16, it gives you the method, so you should be able to figure it out. 18, true and false, multiple choice, you should be good. 20, you should be good, because it says for what x is the quadrilateral parallelogram, so you know they have to add up to 180. Okay, biconditional statements, good practice on that. If you need help, you can go back and listen to other lectures. Yes, 24 you don't have to do.
So for 22 we need to do for both of the theorems.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so 24 we don't have to
24, one more time, you don't have to do.
do. 24 we don't.
And 26 is a challenge problem. Please at least draw it out if you want credit for your homework tomorrow. Okay? All right. So we're going to stop this.